This is the actual phone. I just got a phone call 2 minutes ago saying, come outside. And she was outside, obviously. So this is us. It is currently almost 2 p.m. It's 1:39 and we needed to go to the mall. Well, I needed to go to the mall sometime this week. And she was like, oh, just need to go to the mall. I was like, okay, I can go to the mall. So now we're on our way to the mall. It's raining, guys. Made it, guys. Look at how stunning this looks. That's amazing. We came to Typo. Look at how cute the things are. This is so cute. I actually came here because I wanted to get a 2026 planner because I'm serious about my 2026 adventures.
2026 is going to be
my
thoroughly
year.
planned out.
And my year, our year.
Amen.
Amen. So let's see. These are the planners for 2026 and there's like different ones all over this wall. There's also these ones.
Like it's content, it's embroidered.
Nisa is a manufacturer of these diaries now. That's why she knows it's embroidered and all that cotton. I couldn't find it. Well, I know that I couldn't find it. We found something, but I'm not like 100% sure with it. So we're going to check somewhere else. But then we also need to go to Cotton On because Nisa wants to go to Cotton On. So we're gonna do that. So let's do it. Show the back. Oh, that's a cute shirt. That's very nice. We're gonna go to another store to see if I can find the planner because I'm serious about this planner. But I also need to go and fetch my brother afterwards. So we need to make it like quick. That actually looks so pretty.
I love this thing.
Nah? This is really cute. Making my way downtown. Na, 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 na. But we are making our way to a Value. Guys, remember I shot a video in this Value, but we couldn't see like a lot of it because I was rushing to go out. But we're gonna see it probably today. Chalo, let me show you guys. That is the Value. At this point, Value should basically sponsor both of us because we're always in Value. But anyway, guys, lighting here is so awesome. Nisa's too tall and I'm sorry, guys. Nisa's too tall, my hands are too small. Oh my god, look, snow globe, so cute. Look at how decked out the shop is for Christmas. Have you
It's
started?
a Christmas wonderland. Yes, we actually came on Friday last week.
Really? Have you started decorating the house yet?
No.
Slay.
So I think we're waiting for my brother to finish exams and then we'll start decorating.
Nisa is making it very difficult to be friends with her right now.
Okay, guys.
Tell us.
Answer honestly in the comments below.
Right.
Is not all that I do make Lishna smile. So
Oh,
I
do
told
I
her
make you
to
smile?
get this. My friends make me smile because all I do is make her smile.
Guys, this is Nisa compensating for the fact that she brought me into Value when there's literally nothing of value here. But I am gonna...
That is in the next row. Don't be rude.
Guys, Nisa's fallen in love with the guy in the...
and it's easy to climb.
She's fallen in love with the guy next door. Anyway, I'm gonna get these. Guys, my phone battery is literally about to die. It's on 15% and I need it to be a little bit charged. So I'm gonna see you guys when we get home. This is the actual phone. Let's take it out of the little casing. There we go. It's actually really big. I didn't expect it to be that big. It's actually bigger than my iPhone. Let me compare. Oh my gosh, yeah, it's like much bigger than my iPhone. But that means I have a bigger screen to work on. And also, guys, I think the coolest thing about this phone is when my brother unboxed it, it came with a screen guard and a phone case. So, excited for that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it does have a screen protector. Amazing. Let's see what else is inside this box. Also, if you guys want me to do a review on this phone, let me know because I'm actually very interested. I'm not a tech person, but I like discovering new things. So let me know. The phone comes with the little pin thing, obviously. Oh, and it comes with a charger and the brick. Amazing. And then this is the phone case. If you guys have any name suggestions of what I should name him or her, let me know in the comments. But let's switch it on. Can you see that? It is currently 8:42 a.m. and I've just gotten done setting up this phone. Well, I mean, not like everything. I'll probably get that done when my brother comes back home. But anyway, I need to go and start my day because like I said, it is almost 9. So I'm gonna go do that and then milte thodi der mein. पूरा दिन लग गया guys phone को set up करते करते, and guess what, it is still not 100% set up. I need to go to the mandir real quick, and then I need to go pick up my brother, and then I'm gonna make my brother fix everything for me so that I can start editing it tonight. But guys, I was on the phone with my little niece, and she's the cutest little bean in the entire world, okay? And do you know what she told me? It makes my heart swell with joy, because she literally said to me, she's like, Guna, I watch all of your videos and I love them. And I was like, okay, like slay. Like guys, I was trying to act really cool in the moment, but I was like I was so gassed. I was like, okay, like slay, thank you. I just want to like pick her up and put her in my pocket and just like keep her there forever. पहुंच गए गाइस मंदिर. हमें एक्चुअली यहाँ पे डांस प्रैक्टिस करनी है. कोई फंक्शन हो रहा है कल या परसों, तो उसी के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं. जो सेम डांस इन्हें दिवाली के लिए किया था वो अब फिर करेंगे, तो सेम प्रैक्टिस चलेगी इनकी. पर गाइस यू नो व्हाट, मंदिर में रहना ना इतनी सुकून की बात है ना. लिटरली एज सून एज आई कम इनटू द मंदिर, मुझे पता है कि आई जस्ट हैव लाइक सच अ फ्री हार्ट. यहाँ पे रह के दर्शन कर लो गाइस. ये गाइस हमारी क्लास. मैं लिटरली एक सेकंड से डर गई थी क्योंकि मोदी जी खड़े हैं वहाँ पे. आई वाज लाइक कौन खड़ा है यहाँ पे? स्टैचू. इट्स लाइक अ लिटिल कट आउट ऑफ मोदी जी. बट एनीवे, अभी बज गए हैं 3 दिन के, तो देखते क्या होता है. देखो क्या मौसम हो रखा है गाइस. वाह. डांस प्रैक्टिस हो गई है समाप्त, पर आप देख रहे हो कितने काले बादल हो गए, बिजली कड़कने लग गए गाइस. तगड़ी वाली बारिश होने वाली है. सो बिफोर दैट हैपेंस आई नीड टू लीव. I want to show you guys how amazing the weather is right now. एक second. Oh my god. बारिश का मौसम is the best मौसम. चलो. पहले तो लिटरली 1-2 ही थे, और 1-2 कर करके एक बढ़ के अब लिटरली आई थिंक 15-20 हो गए होंगे वहाँ पे. एनीवे, मॉर्निंग गाइस, इट इज करंटली 8:30 AM. इट इज द नेक्स्ट डे, and honestly guys, I know that the vlog so far has been very like choppy and messed up. I'll explain it to you guys in a little bit. Just give me a little bit of time. Today is such a chill day. We need to just film some content. I don't really think I'm gonna go out to do anything very interesting or fancy. But anyway, चलो चलते हैं. हम हो गए हैं तैयार, एंड गाइज लुक एट हाउ बैड माई स्किन इज लुकिंग दीज डेज. पता नहीं क्या हो रखा है यार मेरे स्किन को. बट एनीवे, आई वांटेड टू टेल यू गाइज दैट लिटरली 2 सेकंड पहले मैंने बोला कि नहीं आज चिल डे है, हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे, ये वो ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. गेस व्हाट, तब भी मम्मी ने बोला कि अरे यार आज मेरे को मॉल जाना है, तू चलेगी. अब यार guys, I'm literally just a girl. Of course I want to go to the mall. But before that, I also want to tell you guys the reason why सारी videos इस vlog में थोड़ा सा उलट पुलट हो रखा है. Actually क्या हुआ कि मैंने एक proper vlog shoot करा था day by day का, but all of that footage got deleted from my phone. पता नहीं कैसे, पता नहीं क्या हुआ. I don't know. सच्ची में I don't know. I have been struggling to find videos to make this vlog for you guys. So actually क्या है, the 2 videos are from different days, actually different weeks. I just had to like scrap all of my videos somehow somewhere to make this vlog happen for you guys. देख रहे हो मेरी consistency, देख रहे हो मेरा dedication, मेरा hard work. But हाँ, तो इसीलिए वो थोड़े से अजीबो गरीब टाइप हो रखे हैं कि यहाँ पे कट हो रखा है and then it jumps to some other time and it's just a whole big mess. Anyway, it is currently almost 9:30 AM, and before I actually go and do my subh ka kaam, my morning routine, puja part, breakfast, all of that, I want to quickly tell you guys an update on my phone. I have been using this phone for I think a week now. So from the time that the previous video was shot up until today, it's been about a week. I've done a few things to the phone, and I want to discuss some of the pros and cons of this phone that I have seen initially. Let's start with the pros first. The phone screen is really big. Like I said, it is actually bigger than my iPhone. Another pro about it is that it is incredibly fast. The processing speed of everything is really fast. Now I don't know the technical terms for it or whatever, but I'm not like struggling to like log in. It's got Face ID. Literally just look at it and I can like swipe. It's there. It also has a little like thumbprint scanner right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's pretty cool. It like again unlocks super quickly. Also the battery life is insane. Guys, this phone is now on 39%. Do you know when I charged it? Literally last week when I was setting up this phone. Let's go on to some of the cons. Maybe this is just like a me problem because I'm so used to my iPhone, and everything on Apple devices is significantly more different to Android devices. So I do understand that there is going to be an initial change, but Guys, one thing I absolutely do not like about this phone, and I cannot lie about it, is the camera quality. It is so pixelated. Everything is like very like color graded. It's very weird. Actually, let me try and do something. I'm gonna take a live video on this phone and then I'm gonna insert the clip onto this one. Hello everyone, this is the Huawei Nova Y63 and this is the front facing camera of it. The same goes for the back camera. I'm just not impressed by it. That is my review of the Huawei Nova Y63 phone. Anyway, I need to go and start off my day. So, chalo. Hi, बोल दो vlog को. Hi. बोलो कंचोल.
कंचो खूब छो.
खूब छो. हम जा रहे हैं मॉल क्योंकि मेरी माता को एक बहुत ही what's the word I'm saying आइडिया आया कि उन्हें अब कॉटन के सूट्स एंड साड़ियाँ पहननी है गर्मी में. तो अब हमें कपड़ा देखने जाना है वहां पे. well she's gonna see कपड़े, मैं तो अपने ही कुछ ना कुछ खरीदने जा रही हूँ. देखेंगे. anyway, मिलते हैं मॉल में. पहुंच गए गाइस हम मॉल में और देखना है कि इनको मिलेगा आज क्या साड़ी का कपड़ा, सूट का कपड़ा. पर पता नहीं मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. इनसे तो पता भी नहीं है कि मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. मम्मी तो चले गई कपड़े देखने और हम जाएंगे बुक स्टोर. पूरा नया बना रहे बुक स्टोर को, पर मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती हूँ. इट्स सो प्रिटी. मैं तो वहाँ से निकल गई क्योंकि वहाँ पे एक्चुअली कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है. वो बेसिकली एक कैफ़े और एक बुक स्टोर एक साथ बना रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं दिखाने के लिए. पर हम यहाँ पे आ रखे हैं एडगर्स में. मेरे को यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा देखना है अगर कुछ दिखता है मुझे. गाइस, आई एम जस्ट विंडो शॉपिंग. मुझे टाइम पास करना है जब तक मम्मी बिजी है. तो चलो गाइस, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रही इतनी महंगाई कब से बढ़ी यार. मैंने गलती कर दी मॉल आके. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है करने के लिए. मैं अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रही हूँ. मैं घर पे रहती वीडियो शूट करती यार, कुछ ना कुछ करती. बहुत अफसोस हो रहा है. क्या करें. 40 रुपये पर मीटर. राम भाई, ये 40 का.
मैं एक सोची कि इन 3 की तो कुर्तियाँ बना दो, है ना. 1 2 3.
नहीं, ये 2 डिफरेंट टाइप्स पर्पल है. गाइस, मेरी माँ डॉक्टर को भी बता देगी कि नहीं तुम गलत कर रहे हो अपना काम. वो बेचारी फैब्रिक काटने की कोशिश कर रही है. बोलिए सीधा नहीं लग रहा. वापस घर आ गए हैं हम एंड इट इज करंटली 12 PM. हम परफेक्ट टाइम है वापस घर आ गए. अब जाना है मेरे को वीडियो शूट करने. सो मैं आज का व्लॉग यहीं समाप्त करती हूँ. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉयड इट एंड इफ यू मेड इट दिस फार, प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, कमेंट एंड डू ऑल ऑफ द फन थिंग्स एंड जॉइन द फैमिली बिकॉज अब बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग व्लॉग्स आने वाले हैं. तो मेक श्योर यू गाइज हैव जॉइन एंड ऑल्सो बेल आइकॉन पे क्लिक कर देना तो आप कभी भी मेरे वीडियो मिस नहीं करोगे. Anyway, see you in the next one.